Hi, this is Deidre with my blissful new Pytopia Pottery page, and I just want to spiff it up one more little tiny tweak, which is I want to add a header to my index page with my own original art that reflects me. I did not make that pretty pot that with a succulent in it, and I want to add some of my own pottery um, as the intro header page. Really easy to do this. You will be astounded at how simple it is. Here is the good old dashboard of easiness. We were going to go to themes. We're going to go to customize. Loading the customizer. What I want to do is go to header media. And you can actually put a video in if you have one from YouTube. And I do, but right now I just want to add a pretty new image, one of my own. So I'm going to go on Add New Image, and I have a variety of art from which to choose. The idea here, if you looked at that big old main page art, it's a little bit horizontal. So it's kind of a fat photo that's very long. And so I have a horizontal photo that I'm going to bring. It's some little creatures that I've crafted. And I'm going to see how this looks as my new header image. If you, as you can see, it says suggested image dimensions are 2000 by 1200 pixels. You can actually edit a photo to exactly that and crop it to that. But if you upload a photo that's nice and big, that's bigger than that, it will allow you to crop it yourself, and then you can get an idea. It's not super specific, but it'll give you a good idea of what you're up to. I have some, these are my creatures. There's a goat, and that's actually a dragon in the middle, and a pig. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to crop it right there, thinking kind of rule of thirdsies, and hit the crop button, and now I have my spiffy purple creatures as my Pytopia Pottery header page. The text Pytopia Pottery shows up automatically and it stays put, so no matter how I scroll down, Pytopia Pottery is part of the image, and there's my piggies. Do I like it? I don't know. Let's hit publish to make sure that we keep it, and then let's look at our site on a full screen, nice and big, without any of the sidebar stuff going on here. Here's what my site looks like when a user will look at it. I got the big pigs, pig goatee things going on. It's all right, but I might also want to like put a logo of my own up there. My own. Maybe I don't like this Pytopia Pottery here, and I can change that too. I already made a little header in using a photo editing software, and I added text to it. So now I can go to header media and let's add one more new image. And it's called Pike. I'm going to search for it here. Pike. It's always good to remember what you name things. And that's why I named it, was Pytopia header. One would think I would be able to get it where it's going here. There we go. Down then where it's supposed to go. Do-do, 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 do-do. Okay, drop files anywhere to upload. I'm going to drop. There it goes. I already added a little text to it. I'm going to select and crop, but I made it exactly the right size. So when I crop it, it's not going to take anything off at all. And then there's this Pytopia Pottery. Now, as you might notice here, we have my little handwritten crayon-y kind of logo. It's actually a font. And then we have Pytopia Pottery repeating itself down here. I want to take that off. I don't like it. I'm going to publish this. But I'm going to take off the, I'm going to change the site identity. I'm going to go back here, and in site identity, I have this as my thing, so the click on display site title and tagline, I'm taking off. And as you can see, that takes off Pictopia Pottery. And I'm going to publish this. And now let's go back and look at what my site looks like all by itself. There it is, my website. It's got my little goat figure. I like this glaze a lot. It's got a little flower going on there, kind of brightens up your day. It's got my quirky little handwritten site title, and then you keep going down through your content, and that is how you replace a header. You can have a header, you can experiment with it and have headers that rotate throughout images, changing it up, displaying lots of whatever you want. And I hope you have fun with changing your header. Thanks for paying attention, and now you're ready to go about working on your blog all on your own. Thanks.